Mastering English Collocations. Adjective plus noun. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of collocations, specifically focusing on adjective plus noun collocations. By mastering these common patterns, you'll be able to express yourself more fluently and naturally in English. So, let's get started. Adjective plus noun collocations are combinations of adjectives and nouns that frequently occur together in English. These word pairings have become established through usage, and using them correctly will greatly enhance your English fluency. Let's explore some of the most common patterns. 1. Opinion plus noun. In this pattern, an opinion or subjective description is combined with a noun. For example, great opportunity, terrible weather, fascinating book. Using the appropriate adjective to convey your opinion adds depth and clarity to your expressions. 2. Size plus noun. This collocation pattern involves pairing adjectives that describe the size of an object or concept with a noun. Consider the following examples: big city, small talk, vast knowledge. By using size adjectives, you can paint a vivid picture and convey the intended meaning more effectively. 3. Color plus noun. In this pattern, colors are combined with nouns to describe objects or concepts. For instance, red carpet, black coffee, green energy. Using color adjectives adds visual appeal and specificity to your descriptions. 4. Age plus noun. This collocation pattern involves combining adjectives denoting age with nouns. Take a look at these examples: young child, old friend, elderly couple. By using age adjectives, you can instantly provide valuable information about the person or thing you're referring to. 5. Origin plus noun. This pattern pairs adjectives representing the origin or nationality of someone or something with a noun. Here are a few examples: American culture, Chinese cuisine, Italian fashion. By incorporating origin adjectives, you can highlight cultural or regional associations and make your speech more engaging. Now that we have explored some common adjective plus noun collocation patterns, let's discuss a few tips to help you use them effectively. 1. Context is key. Pay attention to the context in which these collocations are used. Different adjectives can have different meanings when combined with specific nouns. For instance, strong coffee refers to a robust flavor, while strong person refers to physical or emotional strength. Always consider the context to ensure accurate usage. 2. Read and listen widely. To expand your repertoire of adjective plus noun collocations, immerse yourself in English language content. Read books, articles, and blogs, and listen to podcasts, interviews, and songs. Pay attention to how native speakers naturally combine adjectives and nouns to express their ideas. 3. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice using adjective plus noun collocations in your everyday conversations, the more natural and fluent you'll become. Incorporate them into your speaking and writing exercises, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning is a journey, and practice is the key to improvement. Congratulations on completing this video on mastering adjective plus noun collocations. By understanding and utilizing these common patterns, you'll greatly enhance your English fluency and expressiveness. Remember to pay attention to the